One of the most important features of TradingView is to allow us to use several charts of different time frames on a single screen so that you can use correlation or pay attention at different time frames or even different pairs easily. Sadly, this useful feature is only for pro members, and for that they charge a hefty amount of fee. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to use multiple chart layout feature on TradingView for free. So to use this feature, all you have to do is install this browser called Vivaldi, and for this go to the official website of Vivaldi and make sure you do not download this browser from any other random website. Now here they have a mobile browser as well as a desktop browser. Choose a desktop browser and download it, and now install it on your system. Now once you have installed it on your system, this is how it would look. Now straight away go to the search tab and open the TradingView. Now choose a pair or time frame as per your need, and now open 3 more such tabs. So in my first tab I have BTC USDT, and here I have a 4-hour time frame. Now on the next tab I have BTC USDT 1-hour time frame, and then there is 30 minutes time frame, and then a 15 minutes time frame. Now to view all these on single screen, right click here and now click on stack tabs by host now, and all the 4 tabs will be stacked together like this. Next again right click and click on tile tab option, and you can see how all the 4 charts have been adjusted all together. Now you can use this method for viewing multiple charts at the same time. So here you have it. This is how you use a pro feature for free. For more such tricks, comment in the comment section and I will make a video on those too.